Good morning, children. In previous class, we learned properties of rational numbers. In that, we learned closure property of rational numbers. Today, I am going to explain about the commutative property. What is the commutative property first? Take any two rational numbers, add in any order, sum is a rational number. Both sum is equal. For example, if A and B are two rational numbers, then A plus B is equal to B plus A. This is the commutative property under addition. Okay, now addition is commutative for rational numbers. That is, for any two rational numbers A and B, A plus B is equal to B plus A. What is the commutative property under addition? Addition is a commutative for rational numbers. That is, for any two rational numbers A and B, A plus B is equal to B plus A. Let us consider some example. Let A is equal to minus 2 by 3 and B is equal to 5 by 7. Then A plus B is equal to, so minus 2 by 3 plus 5 by 7. So here these are, you have to calculate LCM of 3 and 7. What is the LCM of 3 and 7? 21. 3 cancel in 21, 7 times 7 into minus 2 plus 7 cancel in 21, 3 times 3 into 5. So minus 2 into 7 minus 14 plus 5 into 3, 15. So what is the sum? 1 by 21. Now coming to B plus A. What is the B? 5 by 7. 5 by 7 plus minus 2 by 3. So what is the LCM of 7 and 3? 21. 7 cancel in 21 3 times. 3 into 5. That is 5 into 3 plus 3 cancel in 21. 7 times 7 into minus 2. So what is the value of 5 into 3? What is the product? 5 into 3. 5 into 3. What is the value? 15. Minus 2 into 7. Minus 14. So what is the value? 15 minus 14. 1 by 21. So A plus B value how much we got? 1 by 21. B plus values also we got 1 by 21. So A plus B is equal to B plus A. So that is, rational numbers are commutative under addition. So now coming to multiplication. Multiplication is a commutative for rational numbers. In general, A into B is equal to B into A for any two rational numbers A and B. So what is the commutative property under multiplication? Multiplication is commutative for rational numbers. In general, A into B is equal to B into A for any two rational numbers A and B. So let us consider A is equal to minus 7 by 3 and B is equal to 6 by 5. Then A into B is equal to minus 7 by 3 into 6 by 5. So what is the product here? Minus 7 into 6, minus 42 by 3 into 5, 15. Minus 42 by 15. Now coming to B into A, what is the B value? 6 by 5 into A value is minus 7 by 3. What is the product? 6 into minus 7, minus 42. 5 into 3, 15. Minus 42 by 15. So A into B value minus 42 by 15. B into A value minus 42 by 15. So thus, rational numbers are commutative under addition and multiplication, but not subtraction and division. Why? Why these rational numbers are not commutative under subtraction and division? So I will give you a small example, children. So let A is equal to 2. A is equal to 2. 2 is a rational number or not? Yes, 2 is a rational number. Consider B is equal to 3. So A minus B is equal to how much? 2 minus 3. That is equal to how much? Minus 1. B minus A is equal to how much? 3 minus 2. That is equal to 1. So minus 1 is not equal to 1. So rational numbers are not commutative under subtraction. What about division? Why rational numbers are not commutative under division? Let us consider a is equal to 3 and b is equal to minus 4. So a divided by b, that is 3 divided by 4, 3 divided by minus 4, that is equal to minus 3 by 4. b divided by a, that is minus 4 divided by 3, that is nothing but minus 4 by 3. So minus 3 by 4 is not equal to minus 4 by 3. So children, what we conclude that here, rational numbers are commutative under addition and multiplication, but not subtraction and division. Now coming to next property, associative property. So associative property, addition is associative for rational numbers, that is for any three rational numbers a, b and c, a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. So take any three rational numbers, add in any order, sum is same. So now let us consider the a is equal to minus 2 by 3, b is equal to 3 by 5, c is equal to minus 5 by 6. Then a plus b plus c is equal to minus 2 by 3 plus 3 by 5 plus minus 5 by 6. So now, so what is the LCM of 5 and 6? 30. So now 5 cancel in 30, 6 3s are 18 minus 6 cancel in 30, 5 times 5 into 5, 25. So what is the sum? Minus 7 by 30. So now you have to add this. Again you have to calculate the LCM of 3 and 30. What is the LCM? 30. So 3 cancel in 30, 10 times 10 into minus 2, minus 20, and 30 cancel in 30 one time, 1 into minus 7. So what is the sum? Minus 27 by 30, that is equal to, it cancel by 3 table, 3 9s are 3 10s are, that is equal to minus 9 by 10. Then coming to a plus b plus c. So what is the sum of minus 2 by 3 plus 3 by 5 plus minus 5 by 6. So what we got answer finally? Minus 9 by 10. So a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. That is minus 9 by 10 is equal to minus 9 by 10 we got. Okay, next coming to associative property under multiplication. Multiplication is associative for rational numbers, that is for any three rational numbers a, b and c, a into b into c is equal to a into b into c. Let consider a is equal to minus 7 by 3, b is equal to 5 by 4, c is equal to 2 by 9. So you have to calculate the product of a into b into c. A value minus 7 by 3, b value 5 by 4, c value is 2 by 9. So what is the product of 5 by 4 and 2 by 9? 5 2s are 10, 4 9s are 36. So what is the final product? Minus 35 by 54. Similarly, a into b into c. So what is the final product we got? 35 minus 35 by 54. So a into b into c is equal to a into b into c. So what we conclude that here, rational numbers are associative under addition and multiplication, but not subtraction and division. So children, from these two properties we can conclude that rational numbers are commutative under addition and multiplication, but not subtraction and division. Similarly, rational numbers are associative under addition and multiplication, but not subtraction and division. So this is you have to copy in your CW. Thank you children.